To add a favicon in Wix. Start by understanding what a favicon is. A favicon is a small icon that represents your website in the browser's address bar, bookmarks, and tabs. It is an essential element of your website's branding and identity. First, you need to create a favicon image. The recommended size for a favicon is 16 by 16 pixels. But you can also use a larger image and Wix will resize it for you. You can use a graphics editor like Adobe Photoshop or GIMP to create your favicon image. Save the image as a PNG, JPEG, or GIF file. Next, log into your Wix account and go to your website's editor. Click on the settings icon at the top right corner of the editor. Then click on Site Settings. In the Site Settings panel, click on the Favicon tab. Click on the Upload Favicon button and select the favicon image you created earlier. Wix will automatically resize the image to the recommended size. You can also add a favicon for Apple devices, such as iPhones and iPads, by clicking on the Add Apple Touch icon button. After uploading your favicon, click on the Save button to apply the changes. You can then preview your website to see the favicon in action. If you want to change or remove the favicon, simply go back to the Site Settings panel and make the necessary changes. Best practices for creating a favicon include using a simple and recognizable design, avoiding clutter and complex graphics, and ensuring the icon is legible and scalable. It is also essential to test your favicon on different devices and browsers to ensure it looks good and functions correctly. In conclusion, adding a favicon in Wix is a straightforward process that requires creating a favicon image and uploading it to your website's settings. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a professional-looking favicon that enhances your website's branding and identity.